Beautiful one. Left hand high. Left hand high. You get collocated. You kill us. Left hand high. You catch and shoot. Right hand make a left foot. But bring it up a little bit higher. See? Both feet. Right to the chin. Yeah. Remember that. Let's go. Let's go. Keep it tight.
As you heard from Gilbert Vaz, that is solid advice to Sakima Mullings to use that left hook, because I think it is the differentiator between both boxers. Everything is similar about them. I was making the point that I scored the opening round a draw because when it is as close as it was, you go to the other three criteria, the tiebreakers, to choose a winner. Who's the ring general? Who has the better defense? Who is the effective aggressor? And I was unable to separate them there as well. So the opening round I scored as a draw, 10-10. Sakima has to throw that left hook. I think Tetse has to work the body. Sakima is going at the body. Tetse hasn't yet begun to work that body. The jab by Tetse. It's trying to come over the top. Sakima needs to keep that left hand up. Both boxers have this tendency. And you saw Tetse went for the straight right there. Missed. Sakima has to be careful. And you look at Tetse, his left hand is down as well. Round 2, approaching midway. And this fight is there for both of these fighters. It will be a battle of attrition, a battle of will. And so far, Tetse Davis is showing the younger Sakima that he is not backing down. Sakima goes to the body and followed up with a tagging left hook to the head. A minute to go in round 2. Pawing right by Sakima. A right by Tetse that's blocked defensively by Sakima. Uppercut on the inside. Tetse doing well at close range. Sakima bobbing and weaving and really digging at the body. Tetse has to be careful he doesn't leave himself open. Sakima looking for the counter punch. A right over the top by Tetse. Tetse doing some good work on the inside. Sakima counter punching as Tetse tries to keep him against the rope. Sakima is playing the rope-a-dope here. Tetse has a propensity to tire late in his fights. So he has to be careful. He did some good work there, but he has to be careful he doesn't punch himself out. 10 seconds to go. Good right by Sakima, and Tetse stands right there. A good uppercut on the inside by Tetse Davis. The bell sounds. And the work on the inside by Tetse Davis, I have given him the second round.